how to hide typing in WhatsApp. Firstly, what you need to do to take off on that selection, it is simply going through the right process. The right process is going by your right upper side, clicking on the three dots, then going settings on the last section. When you get right there, what you can do simply, you can go on the right option right here, it is going on your chats, or simply firstly going on your account section, then for privacy on the first selection. And right from here, guys, if you take off on a selection which is for getting and hiding the typing process on your site, you need to make sure that read receipts are turned off. And also, what is the most important thing when you take off on a selection like this one, when someone sent you a message, for example like this one, before you open up the message on which it's gonna hide you up right here, what you need to do, simply need to turn off your Wi-Fi. Also, you can simply get flight mode on and then simply go open up that selection. You can see what he or she has sent it into that searchable option, for example in a group section like this one, and then get back. Then you can turn it on back and you can turn off the flight mode, and simply you can get the right point.